In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Bristol. We'll be using the Bristol City Council online payment service. And the process is quite straightforward as long as you have the information from your ticket or invoice ready before you begin. Having those details in front of you will make everything faster and help you avoid typing errors. First, open the Bristol City Council online payment service in your web browser. This is the official payment portal where different types of council payments can be made. Once the page loads, take a moment to look over the available categories so you choose the correct one. Next, click on Bristol City Council Invoices. This is the option you'll use to move into the payment form. If you're paying a traffic-related charge and the instructions provided with your notice direct you here, this is the section you need. Selecting the right payment type is important, so your payment is applied correctly. After that, you'll arrive at a page where you need to complete all the required fields. Make sure you enter everything carefully and exactly as it appears on your notice or invoice. Small mistakes and reference details can delay processing, so it's worth double-checking each entry as you go. Start with the invoice number. Enter the reference exactly as shown on your document, including any letters or numbers in the correct order. This number helps the system identify the payment and match it to your case. Then fill in the account name. This should be the name associated with the notice or invoice. Be accurate here as well, especially with spelling, since this information supports the payment record. Next, enter the address. Use the address connected to the account or the notice details. After that, type in the postcode in the required field. These address fields help verify the record and make sure the payment information is complete. You'll then need to enter the amount in pounds. Be sure to type the exact amount due. It's a good idea to compare this figure against the notice before continuing, just to make sure you're not underpaying or overpaying. Once all the fields have been completed, click Continue for payment. This will take you to the next stage of the checkout process, so you can finalize the transaction. Before submitting anything on the payment screen, quickly review all the details you entered, taking a few extra seconds to confirm the invoice number, name, address, postcode, and amount can save time later. After that, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete your payment. And that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Bristol.